Hi friends, I want to share a serious issue I personally experienced with my Pi network account that could happen to you too if you're not careful. I had 447 Pi tokens and shockingly, around 440 of them were suddenly transferred to an unknown wallet. I did not make this transfer myself, and I still don't understand how it happened. After this incident, I started researching and found that many others on social media were facing the same problem. Their tokens were automatically transferred to anonymous wallets without their knowledge. This suggests there may be a security vulnerability in the Pi wallet. Let me explain what happened to me. My tokens were initially locked, and after they were unlocked, I manually transferred 6 tokens to an exchange. But soon after, I noticed that about 440 tokens had been automatically sent to an unknown address. I was shocked because I didn't authorize any such transaction. This is very concerning, and it shows that Pi wallets may be vulnerable to hacking or unauthorized access. If you still have your Pi tokens, do this now. Here are 2 important steps I recommend you take immediately to protect your Pi tokens from being stolen. Relock your tokens. If your Pi tokens are unlocked or about to be unlocked, relock them for a longer duration. You can do this by clicking on the lockup option in your Pi app. This is important because the current security level of the Pi wallet appears to be weak, and unlocked tokens are more vulnerable to theft. Transfer unlocked tokens immediately. As soon as your tokens get unlocked, transfer them to a secure exchange wallet or another trusted wallet. Do not leave them in your Pi wallet, especially if they are unlocked and accessible. Why are Pi tokens being stolen? There are a few possible reasons for these unauthorized token transfers. Weak security system. The Pi wallet may have security flaws that make it easy for hackers or bots to guess wallet phrases using AI or brute force methods. Random access bots. Hackers may be using bots to randomly generate seed phrases, 24-word keys, until they find one that matches a wallet with unlocked tokens. Internal involvement, possibly. There's also a chance that this could involve insider activity, though there's no solid proof of this yet. It's just one of the speculated reasons many users have mentioned. Final advice. If you still have your Pi tokens, either lock them again for a longer time or be ready to transfer them instantly as soon as they are unlocked. Don't wait until it's too late like what happened to me. I lost over 440 tokens and I don't want the same to happen to you. Secure your Pi now before it's gone. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with others so they don't lose their tokens too. Stay safe everyone. If you've had a similar experience, comment below and let's spread awareness together.